Compounded with Sri Lanka's own economic and political crisis, a legal battle centering a Russian state-owned aircraft ensued in Colombo after an Irish-based airplane leasing company, Celestial Aviation Trading Limited, filed a complaint with the Commercial High Court of Colombo claiming that the Russian-based carrier Aeroflot had defaulted on payments due to the company. Upon an enjoining order issued after the case was taken up by the Colombo Commercial High Court, Russia's Aeroflot aircraft Airbus A330-300 flight SU-289, which was scheduled to depart the Bandaranaike International Airport in Colombo on Thursday the 2nd of June with 191 passengers and 13 crew members, was grounded. The aircraft was restrained at the BIA despite reassurances given by the Civil Aviation Authority on the 7th of March that no Russian aircraft would be arrested or detained in Sri Lanka. Russia immediately sent 2 repatriation flights over the weekend to take home the passengers and crew, along with other Russian nationals scheduled to depart Sri Lanka on the 4th and 5th. With diplomatic ties between Russia and Sri Lanka hanging in the balance, Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe yesterday urged the Minister of Justice Vijay Dasa Rajapaksa to expedite the legal proceedings in this regard. As such, the case was taken up today at the Commercial High Court in Colombo. Appearing on behalf of the Attorney General, Additional Solicitor General Sumati Dharmawardana told the court that the enjoining order had been obtained by concealing the truth and misleading the court. He questioned as to how the lawyer representing the Irish company had obtained an enjoining order said to be issued against the Katunaike airport and the air traffic controller when the court clearly stated on the 3rd of June last week that the enjoining order had not been issued on the Katunaike airport or the air traffic controller. The Additional Solicitor General said that the attorney representing the Irish company, Aruna De Silva, and the Commercial High Court's fiscal officer had visited the air traffic control room in Katunaike Airport and announced that an enjoining order had been issued preventing the departure of the Russian aircraft. He also argued that while the court lacks the authority to issue an enjoining order of this nature, the enjoining order in itself had violated the powers vested on the Director General of the Civil Aviation Authority by Parliament. As such, he requested the Colombo Commercial High Court to suspend the enjoining order. Additional Solicitor General Sumati Dharmawardana also presented a CD to court containing 14 pictures depicting the petitioner's counsel Aruna De Silva and the court's fiscal officer entering the air control room on Thursday. Upon hearing these submissions, the judge declared if the allegations levelled by the Solicitor General were true, these will concern an abuse of judicial powers, and went on to say that a lawyer could not act in such a manner. The judge went on to say that the petitioner's counsel had committed a serious offence and that the court could not rule out the matter. With this being the case, the judge immediately suspended the enjoining order today. Following the announcement, the aircraft of the Russian national carrier took off from the Bandaranaike International Airport. Director Operations of Airport and Aviation Services Limited, Shehan Sumanasekara, confirmed to us that the flight was airborne at 6:22 p.m. after the AASL ushered the crew who was restrained in Sri Lanka since Thursday.